Hey guys, how are you all doing? You are welcome back again in today's video. If this is your first time coming across my video, or you have been seeing my video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you have not followed me, you have not liked my page, please subscribe, like my page, and also follow me. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to change your picture background using Inshot app. This is simple way you can change your picture background using Inshot app. It's very simple and easy. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, to change your picture background, you need Inshot app. If you don't have Inshot app, you go to Play Store and download it. But if you have it, you have to open your Inshot app. Then you click on the photo. You click on new. Then you have to select the picture that you want to change the background. Then you click on cut out. Then you click OK. So the next thing you do is go to background. You click on background. Then you click on this picture sign. Then you click on the background that you want to use. Let's use this background. Then you have to remove it from blur. Now you remove it from blur. Then you have to adjust your video. This my video. You have to adjust your picture as you want. If you want it to anywhere you want your picture to be, just adjust it. Then when you adjust it, then you click OK. So the next thing you do is you save. So that is all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please, if you find this video helpful, subscribe, like my page, and also follow me. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.